you're experiencing low performance in Fortnite, there are several adjustments you can make to enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and improve performance. Step 1. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the strain on your system. Navigate to the settings menu and set the graphics quality to low or medium. Disable unnecessary effects like motion blur and shadows for better performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers. This can significantly improve game performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize system performance. Close background applications that may be using system resources. Use the task manager to end the necessary processes before launching Fortnite. Additionally, consider adjusting your power settings to high performance in the control panel. Step 4. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for smooth gameplay. Use a wired connection if possible, and check your internet speed. If you experience lag, consider resetting your router or contacting your ISP for assistance. Step 5. Upgrade hardware. If performance issues persist, consider upgrading your hardware. Adding more RAM, upgrading your graphics card, or switching to an SSD can provide significant improvements in game performance. By following these steps, you should see a noticeable improvement in Fortnite's performance. Enjoy your gaming experience.